Welcome to episode 2 of our crypto training crash course. On this episode, I want to show you how to get your PrimeXBT trading account ready and how to execute trades in a fast and efficient manner on the trading platform, for all those times where the markets get very hectic. The good news is you don't need a lot of fancy technical equipment like I have here in the background. For the beginning, all you need is either a laptop, a tablet, or even your smartphone. So let's jump right into it and start trading. Hey, welcome back. As you can see, I've now logged into my PrimeXBT trading account. If you do not have an account, it's high time to open one. You'll find a link in the description of this video so you can open your own PrimeXBT trading account and follow along with everything I'm doing here. On today's video, we want to concentrate on 3 things. I want to show you how to fund your wallet. I want to show you how to transfer funds from your wallet to your margin trading account. And we want to execute our very first trade. Now you will notice here under the wallet sections that there are different types of cryptocurrencies you can fund your account with. At the time of recording this video, these are currently Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether US dollar coin, and the co-vesting token. So first thing we need to do is that we need to deposit some money onto our wallets. And in this case, I've already done so. So I've deposited some Bitcoin here onto my Bitcoin wallet. You will need to go to deposit. And then you have 2 choices here. You can either, if you already have Bitcoin or Ethereum or other cryptocurrency tokens, you can directly deposit those to your personal wallet address at PrimeXBT.com. If you do not yet own crypto, click here on buy crypto and then you'll have options with CoinFi and Paxful to buy cryptocurrencies and have them deposited automatically to your PrimeXBT wallet. You can also choose different currencies to buy in here. So if you are, for example, from Turkey, you have of course the option here to deposit, for example, or to use Turkish lira to buy cryptocurrencies. If you've done so, you will notice that your account is funded already. What we need to do now is we need to transfer money from our Bitcoin wallet to our margin trading account. In this case, I've already opened a margin trading account for Bitcoin. If you are completely logging in for the first time here, you might have to click here on open a new account and then select the cryptocurrency you want to do your margin trading with. In my case here, I, for example, could open a Tether US dollar account now. Now I have to click here on fund, and then I can choose the amount of Bitcoin I want to transfer from my wallet to my margin trading account. If I click here on max, everything will be transferred. As you can see, it's very fast. The funds have already been transferred. So now I'm ready to go. If I click on trade here, I will be able to exit the margin trading section. So the trading platform where all the action is taking place. I can select here on the left side in this workspace which cryptocurrency I want to trade. Now there's a pro trick. If you click here on the drop down menu, you can, for example, select the markets you would like to trade. So if you're, for example, into trading oil or the S&P 500 or other indexes, you might want to click here on CFD and select them. I, for example, have selected here crypto, so I'm presented with all the different cryptocurrency pairs that I can trade on the PrimeXBT trading platform. Now, once I've found the cryptocurrency pair I would like to trade with, for example, Bitcoin US dollar, I simply click on this in this left-sided menu here. As you can see, the windows are chained automatically, so on whatever cryptocurrency pair you click here on the left will also appear as the chart on the right. If that is not the case for you, you might want to click here on this unlink and link widgets to link those windows again. If I want to buy, for example, Bitcoin now, I simply have to click on this green buy button. Then a new order window opens where I can define what I want to do. If I, for example, want to buy 0.1 Bitcoin, I just have to punch in the amount here. I have to select the order type, more on that later. I have to select the side, so I want to buy. Have the opportunity, if I click this box here, to automatically also place a stop loss or take profit. We are going to look more into depth on this in a later episode of our crypto crash course. If I click here on send order, I'm going to get a confirmation window. I need to confirm my order. Click on it, and as you can see, it's already been executed. I see my position now down here at the screen in my positions window. If I now want to close this position, I can either double click on it or do a right mouse click, go on close position, or click on the X on the very far right side here. I'll get a summary how my position is currently doing, and if I click here on close position and then on confirm, my position has been closed. As you can see, very easy to fund your account, open a margin trading account, and then execute your first trade. On the next episode, we will of course go more into depth how to really get the best out of this trading platform. See you on the next episode. Stay tuned and bye bye.